Hello, my name is Joan. I'm executive chef of the Chatrium residence restaurant in Bangkok. And today we are happy to prepare you one of my favorite dish. This dish is the recipe of my grandmom, egg custard flavored with the vanilla. And the ingredients that we need for today are here. Are very simple ingredients, but it's really important to have the fresh as possible ingredients. The first one is the milk, freshly from this morning. Then we have here the whipping cream. We have as well the condensed milk. Then we need the sugar. We need orange zest, beautiful orange zest for this beautiful orange. We need some vanilla. Today we will use the vanilla extract, but we have the fresh vanilla, the good one we can use, and it will be even better. We have the cinnamon, and then we have icing sugar and fresh mint, peppermint. When we make this kind of dish, the custard, we need some recipient for cook the custard. Usually it's a glass or it's a terracotta bowl. But today, this morning when I arrived, I see that we have this beautiful orange. And we will prepare the dish with the orange. We will prepare some carving with the orange. And Alex will show to us how to do. Okay, Alex, you can show to them. Well, the next step is to start to infuse our milk. We have the milk, half liter of milk, we can put inside the pot. Then we have the whipping cream, the condensed milk. It will help a lot our recipe, it will give a very special texture to our custard. And the next one, we will give some flavor to our custard. And as we explained before, we have today the cinnamon, that is one of my favorite spices. Only one stick, it will be enough, it's not too strong. Then we have the vanilla, and then we have the orange zest. Orange zest, a couple of pieces, and then this one we will boil. And for the custard, what we need, one of the most important process is the caramel. We need to prepare some caramel to put in our recipe. Then we have here the sugar, and we will put the sugar in the pan. And without water and without touch the sugar, we will make the caramel. Very important to don't touch with any spatula or any tongue. Only we can move a little bit like this, it will be enough and it will make a beautiful caramel. Well, the caramel is already finished. As you can see, we don't move the sugar at all, and then we will put in our containers. We have here the caramel ready, and the milk already boiled. Now it's very important, this step, we need to cover the milk to make a nice infuse. It's like a tea that we always cover to take all the aromas of the spice. And now we need to prepare the eggs and the sugar. Then we will go ahead with the eggs. We need to prepare 50 grams of the egg yolks and 220 grams of the whole egg. We have already the eggs. Then we will put the eggs at our bowl and we will mix the eggs with the sugar. Alright, when the eggs are well mixed with the sugar and the milk is already infused with the different spices that we already used, we can take out the cling film and we can put the mix of the milks and the eggs together. We need to mix all the time because you know the egg will be cooking and we don't want to cook the egg. And we will strain. When we have the mix, it's just the last step. We just put the mix inside our containers, whatever we pick. Means we will make with the orange, and we will make also with the jar. And then we can see a presentation that is more home style, and other kind of presentation that is a little bit more stylish, let's say. The mix inside the containers. And when we have everything close, we will cook with the bain-marie, that basically is with water, with the trail, with the water, covering 3/4 parts of the container. Then we will take the water and we will put in our trail to be to the 3/4 parts. Half an hour, 180 degrees, and it will be fantastic for this kind of recipient. If we prepare bigger ones, we need to cook longer time, but in this case, at this shape of containers, about half an hour it will be perfect. Here we can see the final result. We have different kind of flan. We have the ones that we cook in the jack glass. We have the one that we cook in a big container, and we have as well the ones that we cook inside the orange. As you can see, we use some peppermint leaves to decorate, and inside we have the flan. We will put the custard in the middle of the plate, and we will finish with some ice cream. In this case, it's a vanilla custard. We will use also vanilla ice cream. We have here the recipes of today. Hope you like, and hopefully you can prepare at your home and let us know what do you think. Thank you very much.